the whole wide world is still talking about the men's 100-meter Olympic final, especially the dead heat finish between Jamaica's Kishane Thompson and the declared winner, American Noah Lyles. Both given 9.79, with Lyles given the gold medal by 5,000th of a second. Thinking about it though, if both runners were officially accredited with the same time, where the official records will show 9.79 to Lyles and 9.79 to Thompson, why not award both men gold medals? If the times are officially the same as recorded by the timing device, then it's a dead heat. No one is supposed to win and no one is supposed to lose. Think about it logically. If there is no separation in the time allocated to either athlete, then the two of them should have get a gold medal each. And this is not a Jamaican thing. This is common sense and logics. Using the official measuring stick, the result was a dead heat. Now, instead of accepting that, they have resorted to changing the measuring stick. Not right.